VG130L standalone digital keypads. The door strike or relay must have a varistor or a diode across the door strike terminals to suppress the back EMF of the strike. Failure to do so will damage the relay contacts and electronic components, or even burns the controller. Enter the setting mode. Enter the master code twice, default value 1, 2, 3, 4, to enter setting mode. After 15 seconds, if no data is entered, the keypad will automatically exit setting mode. Press pound to exit programming mode. Add a new user code. Enter the setting mode. Press *0, 1. Enter 4-digit user code. Next slot position. Enter 4-digit user code. Next slot position. Enter 4-digit user code. Finish and exit. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and master code cannot be used as user codes. Set the relay's strike time. Enter the setting mode. Press *60. Press 0, 5. Press 0, 5 will set the relay's strike time to 5 seconds. Press *60 and then enter 0, 0 for latching mode. Latching mode means door opens after you enter PIN code or press exit button, and door closes after you enter PIN code or press exit button once again. Delete a user code. For example, to delete the 01 slot position, press *0, 1. Press 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 code has been deleted. Change the master code. Press *0, 0, and then 4-digit new master code. Master code has been changed to 0, 8, 1, 3. Wrong code lockout. The keypad will be locked out for 60 seconds upon wrong 29-digit master code entries. Reset the master code. Insert the jumper at reset location 2 and 3, after the keypad sounds 7 beeps. The master code will be reset to 1, 2, 3, 4. Delete all user codes. Insert the jumper at reset location 2 and 3, after the keypad sounds 7 beeps. And then after 5 beeps, the keypad will start deleting user codes with beep sounds. The beep sounds will stop until all the user codes are deleted. Delete all user codes.